Forney 309 140 amp 120 volt MIG welder. Its 120 volt with 140 amp maximum output is an ideal machine for farms, automotive, and small repair welding using 115V household current. This machine is MIG ready with regulator and gas hose. Welding processes are MIG, GMAW, and Flux cord, FCAW. This is a multi-step transformer-based machine with 4 taps. For example, the welder has a higher duty cycle, quick Euro-style disconnect torch, longer gun torch with common consumables. HD cast aluminum feed drive system with geared idler and drive rolls, cable wrap and upgraded desk roller with larger cabinet and easier spool access. Input power is 115V, CVDC, 1 phase. Maximum output is 140 amps. MIG gun torch is 10 foot, 3.04 amp. Acceptable spool sizes are 4 inches and 8. Standard US gaze hose setup. The weight is 56 pounds. The 5/3/1 or advanced replacement warranty is as follows with 5 years, parts and labor or full replacement of transformer. Three years, parts and labor or full replacement of all components and parts inside the battery or welder that cover within the exception of the transformer. Or welder cover, included but not limited to cables, clamps, switches, wheels and axle are not covered. 90 days for replacement parts. Does not include labor. Includes 10-foot welding torch, ground clamp, 8-foot power cable, gas hose and regulator. Range up to 140 amp/120V input. Can be used for mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum and cast iron. Large cabinet with easy access to 4-inch and 8-inch spools. Cast aluminum heavy-duty wire drive system. Integrated cable wrap. "10-foot premium MIG torch with Euro disconnect and Tweco style consumables. Wire feeder. The cast aluminum makes this wire feeder more rugged and will last longer. The parts are replaceable. Has an upper geared idler to feed wire better. Higher quality for better feeding consistency. Limits struggle and easier setup. Most problems related to welding are with the torch. This alleviates a lot of those issues. Can remove torch within 5 seconds. Ability to quickly replace liner. With a larger cabinet, this gives you more room for spools and storage. A lift-up door also makes this unit easier to load and unload. To purchase Forney 309 140 amp 120 volt MIG welder, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.